Hi students, welcome to WED 151 Alternative Medicine course. I'm looking forward to working with all of you throughout these next 8 weeks. My name is Meg Rademacher and I will be your instructor for this semester. Throughout the course, we're going to learn about a variety of alternative methods, alternative medicine methods, alternative therapies. You're going to actually have the opportunity to practice a lot of these, such as meditation, yoga, exercise, and how that impacts your overall health. So I hope you're ready to kind of get started and jump right into things. First, I want to talk to you about your textbook. A textbook is required for this course. The textbook is very cost effective. This is what the textbook looks like. I am perfectly fine if you would like to purchase the digital copy of this textbook. It is available on either Kindle or I've seen it on Google Play. Some of my students last semester had purchased it on Google Play, and it's usually under $10 for the online version of the textbook. So make sure you go ahead and sign up and get that. I know if you are purchasing the paperback copy of the textbook, shipping has been a little bit slow. So if for some reason you purchase it and aren't getting it in time for the first couple weeks of assignments, just let me know and we'll work through that. After you've purchased your textbook, you want to pay special attention to the Getting Started orientation module within Canvas. There are 4 assignments that I'd like you to complete by Wednesday of this first week. One is an introduction, a Getting Started assignment, an orientation quiz, and then to send me, your instructor, a message. All of these assignments should take you less than 10 minutes to complete, and they're really just to make sure that you understand how to use Canvas correctly in the format in which it will be used throughout the semester. If you have any questions or any issues with Canvas, please let me know. There are also a ton of options for you to get help through GCC. Some of those are listed in your syllabus and then also over here in the Student Resources page on Canvas. After you complete these 4 assignments in the Getting Started orientation, you are ready to start Module 1. And Module 1 will really be looking at what is alternative medicine versus traditional Western medicine, kind of the ER docs as we know it. So you have a YouTube video to watch as well as some reading material that's contained within your textbook. Again, if you don't get your textbook in time, let me know and I can make sure that you have the appropriate reading material. And then you'll be writing a reflection as well about modern medicine and what you learned so far at that up to this point. Okay? So that's kind of how Canvas is laid out for you. Please know that you can always come over here into your inbox and shoot me a message in Canvas. I'm usually very quick to get back to students with any questions you may have. If you, for some reason, don't hear from me within 24 hours, please resend the message. For some reason, maybe I didn't get it or I overlooked it for some reason. So if you don't hear back from me within a reasonable amount of time, which in this case for this class is about 24 hours, resend the message. Okay? I look forward to working with all of you. I know I looked at the roster and I see that I've had some of you as students in other courses, which is super exciting. And then those of you who are new to working with me, I'm looking forward to having a great semester.